ये अरविंद केजरीवाल जी द्वारा जघन्य अपराध है, ये क्रिमिनल नेग्लिजेंस है।
वैसी कोई रिपोर्ट एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती। जी हां, एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती। भारतीय जनता पार्टी झूठ बोल रही है।
Your oxygen consumption seemed to be disproportionate.
A war of words over the oxygen panel report. BJP flaunting the Supreme Court mandated oxygen panel findings to claim that AAP exaggerated Delhi's oxygen crisis, while AAP claiming that no such report existed. But the truth, as always, was somewhere in between. It seems that the panel did submit an interim report which indicted the Delhi government over gross discrepancy in recording the requirement of medical oxygen by its hospitals and inflating the demand by a few times. But the final report, signed by all panel members, is still to be submitted.
So that is also given in the report in terms of the hospitals that responded and in terms of their beds and ICU beds that they had and their supposedly purported oxygen consumption. And it was obvious that there was it was not matching, that considering the number of beds that you have and the number of ICU beds that you have.
According to documents seen by HT, at least 2 of the 5-member oxygen panel, Delhi Principal Secretary Home B.S. Bhalla and Max Healthcare Clinical Director Internal Medicine Sandeep Buddhiraja had objected to the findings, lodging their dissent in 2 separate notes. In an internal note, B.S. Bhalla in fact has expressed dismay that the interim report was submitted to the Apex Court without his objections and corrections. He added that the report does not have the approval of all the members of the subgroup, and that the data on liquid medical oxygen consumption was a mere collation from hospitals and not a Delhi government claim. The other 3 members of the subgroup are AIIMS Director Dr. Randeep Guleria, Jal Shakti Ministry Joint Secretary Subodh Yadav, and Controller of Explosives of the Petroleum and Explosive Safety Organization Dr. Sanjay Kumar Singh. The panel met several times between May 11 and May 21. As details of the interim report emerged Friday last week, the BJP and AAP traded charges.
कि जो ऑक्सीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट दिखाई गई थी दिल्ली सरकार द्वारा, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी द्वारा, वो 4 गुना बढ़ा करके दिखाई गई थी। 4 times इन्फ्लेटेड ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायरमेंट बाय दिल्ली। ये अरविंद केजरीवाल जी द्वारा जघन्य अपराध है, ये क्रिमिनल नेग्लिजेंस है, क्रिमिनल नेग्लिजेंस।
वैसी कोई रिपोर्ट एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती। जी हां, एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती। भारतीय जनता पार्टी झूठ बोल रही है।
Amid this raging political clash, AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria has cautioned not to draw conclusions over an interim report. Instead, the committee's final report should be awaited.
Your oxygen consumption seemed to be disproportionate. So I'll say that the report is still interim. Secondly, the requirement of the oxygen requirement and what was actually used has been shown there, and the discrepancy has been there. It's not correct to say that it was less or more, because that is something which is dynamic and has been mentioned in the report. So I think an unnecessary controversy is being created that it was more than this or less than that. The report clearly mentions it, and if someone needs clarification, they can look at the interim report or wait for the final report.